A happy Ganesh Chaturthi to everyone. Today, I will be making some Modak because Modak is my favorite food and Ganeshji's too. For this, I'm gonna add some ghee. Next, I'm gonna add some makhana powder. Stir, stir, stir. Stir, stir, stir. Now, I'm adding desiccated coconut powder. Boom. Let's start the mix. I have to roast this for 2 to 3 minutes. Roasting is done. Now I'm gonna add some cocoa powder. Next, I have to add some milk powder. Next, I have to add some milk. And now we have to mix. I'm gonna mix it for 2 to 3 minutes. Next, I'm gonna add some nuts, and to make it even sweeter, I'm gonna add some Nutella. It looks so tasty. Galava. Okay, getting some more. Yeah. Blah, 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 blah. Mix. Mix. And done. Magic. Okay, then we have to add these Modaks. Then I'll add some here. Okay. Then I'll add some right here. Yeah. Then I mix it up. Okay. Go down. Crackers. Come on. Okay. Let's see what the magic has become. I'm gonna open in 3, 2, 1, go! Wow! Oh, see the design? See? My modaks are ready! They look so yummy!